Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, June 17, first variant, question number 4. He said that AP arithmetic progression first term is 32. Okay, so I'm starting this question. First term, he said what? 2. So first term in AP is actually 32. And fifth term is this best way, I observe as a teacher, students don't know how to start a question. Okay, and that is why they stuck. So I tell you one thing, this is the best way. Read and write. Last term is negative 28. Last term, when you don't know term number, write TN. So TN represent last term. And look, I copied both here, and I'm going to start because arithmetic progression. So I must write the formula. As a teacher, I suggest you please write the formula. Question will become easy for you. Now you see what is this 5. So replace every n by 5. And here n, so n remain n's, no change comes here. So here T5, A is 32 is very clear. And I put 5 in the place of n. 5 minus 1 give you 4D. Okay, T5 is 22. So I put here 22. So this goes this way, and we got a negative 10. And common difference is negative 2.5. Okay, 2 5s are 2 2s are. So we have done it, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Now I'm Tn is negative 22. I'm replacing here. First term is 32. Term number I don't know. Common difference is negative 2.5. 32 will go there. So negative 28, negative 32, and is equals to, and this, okay, I'm doing full algebra so you can understand. And this is becoming negative 60. And this will divide negative 2.5 equal to this one. And when will go, one will go and add, minus minus cancel, I get 25 terms. It means this last term is 25th term, is very clear. And he says sum of the all terms to find out. So sum of the all term formula, we have two formulas actually, but I use this formula. Although I can, okay, I just don't want to confuse you. So plug in every n by 25. So S25, 25 by 2. First term, 32. N is again 25, and common difference negative 2.5. And if you type in calculator, it is giving you what? 50. So which is our answer finally. Let's go for this question. Each year, school allocates a sum of money for library, and the amount allocated each year increased by 2.5%. Whenever he say increases, so we say 1 plus, for example, increase 2.5. So we will add. So, or let's say 2% increase, example I give. So 2%, 1 plus 2 by 100. If you say decrease, then I will say 1 minus 2%. So 1 minus 2 by 100. Okay, now because he said increase 2.5%, so 1 plus 2.5 divided by 100, and I get 1.025. So I hope so up till here clear. He said in 2005, the allocation money is $2,000. And total money we need to find in 14, inclusive. So, this kind of question, student always confuse what to do. We count 2005 as a 1 year, 2006 as second year, the 7 as a third year, the 1, there's 2, there's 3. If we continue till 14, so if we count them like this on fingers, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, it become 11. So n is 11. So some formula, you know it very well. And look at the n. N value is bigger than 1. And bigger than 1, we have a formula. Let me tell you, the two formulas are there. If r is less than 1, formula is a 1 minus r to power n over a 1 minus r. But make sure if the r value is bigger than 1, the formula will change. And that is r will come before, 1 will go later. This kind of format, I just tell you. Okay. So let's start. The formula Sn. So a times 2, because r1 is bigger, so r to power 1, r to power n minus 1 over 1 minus 1. So let's apply it. So a is what here, student? A is $2,000. And r is 1.025 to power 11 minus 1 over 1.025 minus 1. And I hope so. The point is very clear. And if you apply the formula, and in calculator, hold on, let me check. Sorry, student, I counted little wrong. This is a 10, not 11. So I count in fingers now again. So it is a 10. So that is the only mistake is done here. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. If I check the answer, his answer is coming with me is 22406.8. Okay, dollars. And you can leave it here, no problem, or write 3SF. But the currency you can write in 2 DP also, no problem at all. So no problem. Both answers are acceptable. So you write 3SF or 2 DP. Both answers are correct. And I hope so. The point is very, very clear.